Aí galera, ó, as caixinhas da bomba. Mesa de computador normal, certo? Aqui o que eu fiz, tirei a última gaveta, como mostrei no vídeo anterior. Agora eu tô gravando em digital pra ficar melhor. Aí ó, caixinha da bomber aqui, com subzinho de 16 RMS. Coloquei aqui sem querer, acabei obtendo um grave muito melhor. De 16, digamos que foi para uns 20 RMS mais ou menos. Ao invés de colocar aqui, nesse canto aqui, o grave se espalhar pelas paredes, eu fechei um pouco mais a câmera para o espaço aqui, para o grave poder sair mais forte. Agora vamos mostrar o resultado.
It's your big block, homie. The east side Chevron. 15 million to count.
I'm in it across the flag. Justin Timberlake. Last year was 24. This year's 28. Ice everywhere. That's the icing on the cake. Wanna be a hood figure. I can show you what it takes. Kevin Tan. I call him Jeffy Chan. Couple grand, rubber band, rubber band. Landlocked in the scale on the stand. Hood figure, you can call me. Rolling like a fan. Push your face in that green alien. Verbal relations, just jumping out the band. I ain't so living, call me money man. Outside, telling inside, we the world. Sitting in the trunk, wrapped up in a book. Up the highway and back again. Dropping off that side. You catch me on that I-10. Gotta get the rich about 75, 75, 85, 85, 95, 95, and the cool life. Coming back from far, far. Tip shades, all the money, man. Got that work, work for me. It's a boy, I got money. Keep that white girl in the real bounce bill playing. Getting money, come on, let's get strung, drink my chillin'. I'm making a killing. I'm Ben Frank Dillon. I'm a young George Jordan. Blue boxes to the ceiling. I'm ballin', all chillin'. In the neighborhood dealin'. I'm worth about $1 million. Got my boys catching feelings. Got plenty frosted flake. Justin Timberlake. Last year was 24.